here are our little brood at, I think they're 16 days today. Eyes are open, we are walking, and we believe our ears open today. They were reacting to some sound. We have an escapee and Porter, so he's been out twice within the last day, so we had to put a higher door on the whelping box. Diva's still getting used to getting in and out of that, but she's doing pretty well. And as you can see, everybody's starting to look around, walk around. They're growling, and it's kind of funny because they see stuff and hear stuff that they haven't heard before, and they kind of go and they growl. It's quite interesting. Of course, now that I have the camera out, they are doing nothing. Bach has decided that he would like to be a big whiner. We'll be working on that. Porter is our resident acrobat. He's getting around pretty good. My little buddy Sangria. She's starting to become a favorite. Oh, yeah.